Our next product on the Video Guys top products of 2018 is the Epiphan Pearl Mini. I love Epiphan. I love their stuff. Epiphan stuff is built really rock solid. That's one of the things I like about their products. They're really designed from a commercial, industrial kind of point of view. What's so great about the Pearl Mini? The Pearl Mini is a complete live production studio all in one. It lets you record. It lets you do mixing, switching, recording, and encoding all in one device. And what I really like about it is it's got this touch screen on top, and the touch screen allows you to actually control the show. And I talk about that a lot, letting the talent run the show. Well, with the Epiphan Pearl, you set it up, the Pearl Mini, and you can set up your shots with two cameras combined, the picture-in-picture, or maybe your PowerPoints coming in, and the talent through that touchscreen can easily control the Pearl Mini. We have seen great success with the Pearl Mini in worship and in education in areas where you need someone to be able to just step up and use it with minimal training, and that's where the Pearl Mini really shines. A little bit of setup in advance can let anyone who's running the show do everything they need to do, easy peasy. Great for house of worship, great for education. The Epiphan Pearl is still available. Their big unit, which is 4 inputs, 4 outputs, but we really like the Pearl Mini for the markets that it's tagged in, and that's why Epiphan Pearl Mini is a Video Guys top product of 2018. Congratulations, guys.